My name is Deepak, and in this tutorial I would show you how to create a hamburger menu prototype using weld.io. As you can see on my screen, imagine this is my landing page, and if I resize it, I can see the hamburger icon. If I tap on it, I can see the menu, and if I toggle it, the options go away, and if I expand it, it again shows me the desktop version. So how to create this? Let's go to the weld and create a new project. This is an empty new project. Let's add a header. I don't like the color of this, so let's change it. Even this is not good. Let's edit color and pick this one. Yeah, this looks good. Also, let's add a few boxes. Maybe this. Imagine this is my content. I'll change color of this to maybe this one. All right. Now in the menu, I want to have some items. Home. Let's make it a bit bigger, and all I'm doing is a copy paste. About, and just add one more. Contact. As a tip, if you hold your shift key while dragging, it maintains the alignment. So now I have this page. Let's add a hamburger icon. So what do I need to do for that? Click on the library, and in the search symbol mention I want to search for hamburger. Here, hamburger icon. Oh, maybe my spelling wasn't correct, I didn't notice that. So just drag a hamburger icon over here, and now let's try to run our application. If I run at this point of time, you'd see the desktop version has everything, all the menu item, my content, as well as the hamburger icon. And if I resize it to the mobile version, so still I see all the menu items, and you can see the boxes have resized, and I see my hamburger icon, but this is not what I want, right? So that's what the USP of weld.io is. You can make platform specific changes. So for example, if I go to the desktop version and I toggle this to editing desktop, which means the changes which I'm going to do now are specific to the desktop version. So in desktop version, I don't want to see this hamburger icon. All I need to do is set the opacity of this to 0. And if I move to the phone version, in that I don't want to see these 3 items. So I would select these 3 and set their opacity to 0. If I run this application again, so you'd see that I don't see hamburger icon, and if I resize it, I don't see those menu items. Now let's add some functionality to this hamburger icon. So what we essentially want to do is we want to have another set of the same page, but in that copy we would have a hamburger menu. So I would just select this, and there is an option link. So we would link it to a new screen 2, right? Let's copy whatever we have here. Move to the next screen, which is just created when we click the new screen, and paste it over here. This is just a duplicate of the first screen, but here we want to show a menu. So select everything. I just did a Control A, move it a bit to the right, and create a menu here. Add some items. Home. Okay, let me make it a bit bigger. About. Contact. Yep. And when I select this, I should go back to the screen 1. If I run it now, let's see what happens. Let me run it from the first screen. Okay. So this is our desktop version, and if I toggle the mobile version, I see this icon. If I click on it, it shows me the menu, it has actually moved to the second page. And if I tap it again, I go back to my first screen, and if I expand, it goes back to the desktop version. You must have noticed one thing. When I select this and expand at this point of time, it shows all the home, about, contact, but we don't want to show it in the desktop version, right? So let's make some more adjustments. In the second version, let's move to the desktop and edit. Now I'm making desktop specific changes. So first thing is, I don't want to see this, set the opacity to 0. And also I want these things to be left aligned instead of being pushed to the right. Great. If I go back to the first screen and try this again, here, resize, nice, font version, this, but if I expand it, now it actually goes back to desktop version. If I resize it again, it turns back to the mobile version, and now back to the first screen. So this is it about this tutorial. Hope you like it. Thanks.